Very good morning, class 5. I'm back with you all with another new video of the same chapter number 4, measurement of length, weight and capacity. So in this particular video, I'm going to explain you addition and subtraction of length and weight. We have already covered these two topics, but this video is also going to help you to understand how to do addition and subtraction sums. So let us have the very first question. I have taken addition sum from the length and subtraction sum from weight. So I will teach you both. There are two ways to do the addition and two ways to do the subtraction. I am going to tell you both the ways. So whatever you feel it convenient to do, you can go for that method. Children, very first just see we are having two distances here, 7 kilometer, 350 meter. And the other one is 18 kilometer, 65 meter. So we have to add both the given lengths. The very first thing, first convert them into higher unit and then add them. That is the very first method which I am going to follow here. Method 1. So let us first convert the given length. First one is 7 kilometer, 350 meters. So I am going to convert the given length into higher unit. So this is already in a higher unit. So I am going to focus on this particular 350 meters. So to convert 350 meter into kilometer, I am going to divide the given with 1000. So let us do that conversion. So this will be divided by 1000 to make it into kilometer, which I can further write it as 7 kilometer plus 0.350 kilometer. As I have 3 zeros in the denominator, so I will have my decimal before 3 digits. Now after adding, I will get 7.350 kilometer. So same way we are going to convert the other. I have 18 kilometer and 65 meter. So let us convert this also by dividing 65 by 1000 to make it into kilometer. So I can directly write here, it will give me 18.065 kilometer. As I have 3 zeros in the denominator, so I have to add 1 zero to put my decimal. So finally after adding, I will get 18.065 kilometer. So I have got both the given distances into higher unit. Now I am going to arrange them, write them properly and will add them. So it is 7.350 and the other one is 18.065. So let's add them. Now adding is very easy. It will give me 5 here, it will give me 11, 1 will be carry forward and 4 and 7 and 8 will give me 15 and this is your final answer. This is one of the method, first converting them into higher unit, then adding. Method 2, you can go for that method also, in which you will first arrange them into different columns, kilometers and meters, and then you will convert. Let's first write the kilometers. In the first one I have here 7 kilometers, 350 meters and the other one I have 18 kilometer. So writing them at the correct place is very important, otherwise your answer will come out to be wrong. Here I have 65, so I'm going to add 1 zero here. It is going to be 065 rather than writing 650, that will give you wrong. This is a very common mistake which everyone or most of the students do. So take care of this thing. So let's add them now. It will give me 5, 11, here I will have 4 and here I will have 25. So I have the answer here, 25 kilometer, 415 meter. The final answer should be in kilometer. So to get the final answer into kilometer, after this answer I am going to convert it here. You can see, so this is 25 kilometer. So I am going to divide 415 by 1000 to make it kilometer. So this can be written as 25 kilometer plus 0.415 kilometer. And finally I have 25.415 kilometer. So both the methods are okay. You can go for this method or this method. But I will suggest you to go for this method because in this particular method, you will first only convert them into higher unit. So if you are going to convert earlier only, you will have a less chances of error. Otherwise, if you will do this method, in this just take care of one thing while arranging and writing them at the correct place. So this was about the addition. Now let's take one more sum of subtraction, which I have taken from the weight topic. Now I have to subtract 7 kg 865 grams from 9 kg. Here also I am going to first explain you method 1. First I am going to convert the given one into higher unit. Same way, to convert grams into kg, we are going to divide by 1000. 7 kg plus 865 by 1000 to convert it into higher unit. So here I will have 7 kg plus, now 3 zeros in the denominator means I will have 3 decimal places. Now after adding these two, I will have 7.865 kg. So I have converted the first weight into higher unit, that is a kg, from which I have to subtract, that is given 9 kg. So that is already in a higher unit, so I will not make any change for this. So let's do the subtraction. Now for subtraction, take care of one thing, that the bigger quantity, the higher quantity has to be written on the top. So 9 will on the top as it is of kg. So I can write it like 9.000 kg. Right? And what is to be subtracted? 7.865. So let's do the subtraction. Now I cannot subtract from 5 because I have 0 here. So I need to borrow from my this friend. It will make it. And now I have borrowed from 9. So now I can subtract. I have 5 here. I have 3 here. I have 1 here and 1. So this is going to give me your final answer, which is 1.135 kg. What I have done, I have just followed the same method as I have done in the method 1 of addition sum. Convert the given weight into higher unit, then you do your subtraction. Now let's do the same method with the same question with method 2. Either you will go in other way also, like you will first subtract and then you can convert it. Now when you have to do method 2 for subtraction, take care of one thing, like what is to be written on the top. Yes, on the top it has to be the higher quantity. So I will write 9 here. And as I don't have any grams here, so I will write 000 for the grams. And what is to be subtracted? 7 kg 865. So let's do the subtraction. Here I have all the zeros, so I have to borrow from here. Same way, it will make it 9, and here I will have 10. So after subtracting 5 from 10, I will have here 5, here 3, here 1. So this way I have got the answer in kg and in grams. So to get the answer into higher unit, at the end, in the final answer, I am going to convert it into higher. On the right side, you can see, as I have 1 kg, 135 grams. So this is already in a higher unit. I have to focus on this grams. So to make it into kg, I will divide the given grams by 1000. And then I can write it as kg. Now I can further write it as 0.135 kg. And after adding, I will have 1.135 kg. So I have taught you 2 methods for addition and for subtraction. So whatever you feel it easy, you can go for that method. And I expect that this video will help you a lot to do the addition and subtraction sums of length and weight. Okay children, good day. We'll meet you in the next week for a new video.